Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This is 12th standard business maths, chapter 6, exercise 6.1, 7th sum, the distribution of the continuous random variable in range. They are given the range as minus 3 to 3 is given by a probability density function. That is a PDF function. Probability density function. What is the formula for probability density function? Minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. If it is a probability density function, it is probability density function minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1, but the range they have given as minus 3 to 3. So, minus 3 to 3 f of x dx equal to integral minus 3 to 1 minus 3 to minus 1. What is the value? 1 by 16, 3 plus x the whole square into dx plus minus 1 to 1 minus 1 to 1 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 6 minus 2x square into dx, 6 minus 2x square into dx plus integral 1 to 3. Integral 1 to 3, what is the value? 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 3 plus 3 minus x the whole square. 3 minus x the whole square into dx. You split up the area into minus 3 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1 and 1 to 3. See, you can take it as this is I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. You separately you find the value first. I1 equal to integral minus 3 to minus 1, 1 by 16, 3 plus x the whole square into dx. 1 by 16 constant you can take it out, minus 3 to minus 1, 3 plus x the whole square into dx. So it gives I1 equal to 1 by 16 into x. The power is 1. You can use the formula integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, 3 plus x the whole cube by whole cube. 3 plus x the whole cube. 3 plus x the whole square plus 1 by plus 1. 3 plus x the whole cube. What is the limit? Minus 3 to minus 1. So, I1 equal to 1 by 48. 16 3s are 1 by 48 into 3 plus x the whole cube. The limit is minus 3 to minus 1. See, substitute the upper limit 1 by 48 into, substitute the upper limit 3 minus 1 the whole cube. 3 minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 minus 3 the whole cube. Substitute the upper limit instead of x and the lower limit minus 3. So, what is the value? 1 by 48 into 2 cube. 1 by 48 into 2 cube. So, it gives 1 by 48 into 2 cube minus 3 value is 0. 3 minus 3 value is 0. It gives I1 equal to 1 by 48 into what is the value of 2 cube? 2 cube value is 8. 1 by 48 into 2 cube value is 8. You cancel the value 8 by 48, 1 by 6. 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48. Now we move on to I2. What is the value of I2? Integral minus 1 to 1, 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2x square into dx. 6 minus 2x square into dx. 1 by 16 you can take it out. Integral minus 1 to 1. 6 minus 2x square into dx. 6 minus 2x square into dx. So I2 equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16 into integration of 6 is nothing but what? 6x minus 2x square is 2x cube by 3. The limit is minus 1 to 1. The limit is minus 1 to 1. 1 by 16 into, you can substitute the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 6 into 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 into 1 cube. 2 into 1 cube by 3 minus lower limit 6 into minus 1. 6 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 the whole cube by 3. 2 into minus 1 the whole cube by 3. So what is the value? I2 equal to 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2 by 3 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. I2 equal to 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2 by 3 minus 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 6 plus 2 by 3. It gives 1 by 16 into 6 minus 2 by 3 minus into minus plus 6 minus into plus minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 16 into 6 plus 6 12 minus denominator was same 3. So minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Now you can take the LCM. 1 by 16 into 12 3s are 36 because 3 is the LCM. 36 minus 4 by 3. 36 minus 4 by 3. See here, I2 equal to 1 by 16 into 32 by 3. 16 ones are 16 twos are. What is the value of I2? I2 equal to 2 by 3. Now you move on to I3. I3 equal to integral 1 to 3. 3 minus x the whole square into dx. 3 minus x the whole square into dx. I3 equal to. So integral 1 to 3. 3 minus x the 1 by 16. 3 minus x the whole square into dx. So it gives, you can take it as 1 by 16 commonly out. 1 to 3. 3 minus x the whole square into dx. X degree is 1, so we can apply the integral x power n formula, but x coefficient you can write it in the denominator. So 3 minus x whole cube by whole cube by 3, whole cube by 3, that is n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 1. So into minus 1, what is the limit? 1 to 3. So 1 by 16 into 3 minus x the whole cube by minus 3. Limit is 1 to 3. So 16 3s are 48. So minus 1 by 48. 16 into minus 3 minus 48. 3 minus x the whole cube. The limit is 1 to 3. Now you can substitute the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 3. Upper limit is 3. 3 minus 3 the whole cube minus lower limit 3 minus 1 the whole cube. 3 minus 3 the whole cube minus 3 minus 1 the whole cube. It gives minus 1 by 48 into 3 minus 3 is 0 minus 3 minus 1 is 2 cube. 3 minus 1 is 2 cube. See here, minus 1 by 48 into minus 8. 2 cube value is minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8 ones are 8 6 are. So the answer is 1 by 6 for I3 value. So now you can add all the 3. You are getting the value of I. I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. What is the value of I? Integral minus 3 to 3. Integral minus 3 to 3 f of x dx. If it is a probability density function, the value is equal to 1. So integral minus 3 to 3 f of x dx equal to what is the value of I1? 1 by 6. I2 is 2 by 3. I3 is 1 by 6. So you can, bases are same, 6 6. So you can add it. 2 by 6 plus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 3 by 3, the value is equal to 1. Integral minus 3 to 3 f of x dx equal to 1. Hence verified because it is a probability density function. Hence verified. Hence verified. It's a probability density function. See the eighth sum, a continuous random variable x as the following distribution function. Here it is given as capital F of x distribution function. This is also important sum. Capital F of x equal to 0 if x less than or equal to 1. K into x minus 1 whole power 4 if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3 and 1 if x greater than or 3. See, first you should find out f of x. F of x equal to d by dx of differentiation with respect to x of capital F of x. Capital F of x, it gives 0. The first term is 0. 0 if differentiation of 0 is 0. What is the differentiation of k into x minus 1 the whole power 4? 4k x minus 1 the whole cube. 4 n into x power n minus 1. So 4k x minus 1 whole power cube, n minus 1 whole cube. So differentiation of this term, 1x become 1 and minus 1 become 0. What is the limit? If 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Next, what is the differentiation of 1? 1 become 0 because it is a constant. 0 if x greater than 3. If x greater than 3. See, these two values are 0. You can take f of x equal to 4k into x minus 1 the whole cube. What is the limit? If 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Since it is a probability density function. Since it is, you should find out the first subdivision, find k. Since it is a probability density function, what is the value of probability density function? Since f of x is a probability density function, what is the formula? Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Integral 1 to 3. The limit is integral 1 to 3. 4k into x minus 1 the whole cube into dx equal to 1. See here, you can take it as k out. integral 1 to 3, 4k you can take it out, 4k. What is the remaining thing? X minus 1 the whole cube into dx equal to 1. X minus 1 the whole cube into dx equal to 1. See the power of x, it is 1. See the power of x, it is 1. So you can apply the integral x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 4k into x minus 1 the whole power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal, what is the limit? 1 to 3 equal to 1. So 4k into x minus 1 the whole power 4 by 4 limit 1 to 3 equal to 1. 4 get cancelled. K into, substitute the upper limit is 3 minus 1 the whole power 4 minus lower limit is 1 minus 1 the whole power 4. Lower limit is 1 minus 1 the whole power 4 equal to 1. K into 2 power 4. K into 2 power 4 minus 0 equal to 1. K into 2 power 4 is what? 16. Minus 0 equal to 1. What is the value of k? K equal to 1 by 16. K value equal to 1 by 16. See, k value equal to 1 by 16. It is a probability density function. What is f of x? F of x equal to, you can substitute the k value equal to 1 by 16. 4 into 1 by 16. 4 into 1 by 16. X minus 1 the whole cube. If 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. 0 otherwise. So you cancel the value. What is your f of x? F of x equal to 1 by 4. F of x equal to 1 by 4 into x minus 1 the whole cube. If 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. 0 otherwise. See here, 1 by 4 into f of x, because it is a probability density function, 1 by 4 into x minus 1 whole cube, 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. We found the value from the probability density function whenever it has given as capital F of x. You should differentiate that value. You should find out the value of small f of x. It is a probability density function, small f of x. You should differentiate that value of capital F of x. Small f of x equal to d by dx of capital F of x. So then you move on to the formula. What is the formula? Density function, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. It's a very important question. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.